Alrighty, good afternoon. Alrighty, so I got my grease gun here. I grease this machine and grease that deck over there. The tractor's done. We're gonna squirt some grease in this gator over here on this other side of the garage here. I'm gonna squirt some grease here, so let's get this done. Up. Key off. Gloves and a light. And I'm gonna see if there's a grease sitting on this front side here. It don't look like there's one. Must be different than my gator, because mine only has one fitting. So yeah, when I find a fitting, we'll show you guys and get back to it. You can't find a grease fitting. To move machine by hand back until the grease fitting is found. What do you think? Right there it is. A little bit more yet. Okay. Oh, we went too far. Right there. Okay, so we're gonna set a park brake then, so it don't move. Like that, we're gonna take this. I like this grease gun. These battery operated machines. Man, if I only had my locking lube. There, the thing's greased. For those of you that don't believe that I grease stuff, it's greased. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the book to see where them other two fittings for the rear end. Okay, so this is different than the 550. Okay, because it's showing them grease fittings there. That is the front universe, or the drive shaft of the fitting that we just greased. That is that one. Then showing this one right back here, this little stub shaft here, the grease fitting right underneath it gets grease. That would be grease fitting B. You from the right side of under the rear drive shaft. What's this one up here? This must be from a different angle. Okay. That must show you have to go up through, but I don't know. So we'll have to go figure it out. I wouldn't put in grease fittings on the rear end. Okay, so there's a little 550. Door's going up. I got the one door off of it because I was using it to clean up some brush. I didn't want to fight the door all day long. Okay, so I know pretty much where the grease fittings are on this machine. This one has grease fittings on the rear end. I do know that. Looks like that thing's leaking oil. Uh-oh. Guess you just gotta kind of start feeling for grease fittings. Nope, none there. Huh. Ouch, well by golly. Well by golly, why don't we have any grease fittings? I guess I'm gonna have to get the book out for this one. I don't know where they are. Like I thought I did. Nope, not up there. Okay, so I turned the machine around, hoping to get some more light on the subject here, and I got more light. Grease fittings on this 550 are right there, which I think it's kind of a place to put grease fittings. I don't know, but who am I to tell? We did. Yeah. Now don't ask me if I used them or not, because I didn't. I don't use them. Can you believe there's only 2 grease fittings on this darn thing?
Where'd you get this at?
What's that?
Where'd you get that at?
Rural King.
Oh, yeah.
Toy store. Hey, it's taking grease. Cool. Why ain't that one taking grease?